Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Glasses off again. And welcome back to another video. So it's Vlogtober and we're still vlogging every day. We're trying our very best to vlog every day. So here it is, right? I was on a business trip to Kansas City and I have another business trip that I have to go to. So I am going to be packing for a business trip. So do not mind my closet, y'all. I don't know how many times I come in here and try my hardest to keep this closet squared away. It's a constant challenge and battle. And then I'm also sharing my bedroom with Jackson right now, so he's actually sleeping on a pallet on the floor, so all of his bedding stuff is down here. And then I've got some sheets and stuff that I need to put away that are underneath here in a basket, and my chest is full. So I am going to have to find, I do have some spaces up here that I'm going to have, well, up here, that I'm going to have to find maybe some bins or baskets that I can put some stuff in and utilize that space up there, so I'm not just wasting space. And then of course, because I have traveled so much, all of my jewelry pieces are everywhere. And then I have got to store some extra books. So I've got to do some total revamping in my closet yet again, but that will be, you know what, another video. Love having content for Vlogtober. So anywho, I just wanted to share with you guys what I'm planning to pack. So I have a business meeting tonight that I have to get to. So we have one night meeting because I'm on the executive committee, which I'm the recording secretary, so of course I have to be at that meeting for the minutes. So I have a night meeting. This is not a formal business meeting, but I will dress appropriately for a business meeting. Then I have registration for the conference in the morning, which will start probably at about 8 o'clock, and I will dress business for that. And then we have another half day of business meetings on Tuesday, and I will dress business for that. Then we have a afternoon board of directors meeting, which of course I will be at doing minutes as well. So for this meeting, I only have 2 sets of minutes. I've got executive committee minutes Sunday night, and then board of directors minutes Tuesday afternoon. And so what I'll try to do is have all of that wrapped up by Friday, and then be able to submit them to the team drive so that they are there when they are needed to be accessed. So this is actually our first official meeting. It's our fall meeting of the year, because our fiscal year starts in July. So July 1st through June 30th of the following year. So we're having our very first, well, we're actually having our second meeting. Our summer meeting is our first meeting, but this is our fall professional development and board of directors meeting. So gotta pack, gotta find something to wear. So I'm gonna pull out a couple things because I really just need maybe 1 pair of jeans and a shirt, and then 2 business pieces, attire. So let me see what I can find, locate, and I'll show you what I'm thinking. Okay, so here's my suitcase, and it is fall here, but we're kind of in between. So it's kind of fall, kind of still a little warm in the evenings or the afternoons. So I am going to take this pair of black boots. These are knee boots with the buckles on the side. And I got these, I'm thinking, brand new, right? Brand new. These are, they're called Life Stride. Excuse me. Can't remember exactly. I either got them at Goodwill or I got them at a consignment shop that I like to shop at quite often. And then I'm just going to take these peep toe black shoes. I'm also going to take my tennis shoes, and then I have 3 business outfits and 1 pair of jeans. So I'll show you those in 1 sec. Okay, so here's the first outfit. Alana's holding for me so it doesn't fall. But it's just a little black dress. It has like the, not quite a turtleneck. This is loose at the top, but it, you know, it folds over. So it gives that turtleneck effect. Then the sleeves are 3/4 length sleeves. And then it's just a plain and simple black dress, which is what I'm planning for one of the days. I'm going to dress this up. Okay, this outfit is a John Mayer of Norwich. This was in a gift bag that one of my friends gave to me. So it's a 2-piece pantsuit. So it has pants that are a little bit more wide-legged. So I like that detail. And then has a jacket with the full length sleeves. And then there's a belt. I do have a white and a black cami that I have to go underneath that. So I'm not just wearing the jacket like that, but I'll have a cami underneath that. So that's another outfit. That'll probably be tomorrow's outfit, or maybe Tuesday, since we are meeting with the board. So that's a little bit more dressy. Not that I'm on show or anything, but I like to be as professional as I can. So I'm thinking of that. And then the last outfit, which I probably will end up wearing tomorrow, is going to be another little black dress. This is a dress that I got from Nadine West. I showed it in my last pink bubble bag, but I haven't worn it yet. It's the sleeveless dress, A-line, and it does not have sleeves. So I'm pairing it with this Adler collection red leather jacket. I got this from the Goodwill a while back for $14.97. I've never worn it. It doesn't zip fully, but I don't need it to zip fully. I just need it to cover my arms. So I'm going to wear that tomorrow with my boots. And I think that will be an excellent outfit to wear for the first day of registration. And then as far as accessories, I'm trying to keep it really simple and just take 2 accessory pieces. So I have this pearl, chunky pearls that I got from the Home Goods swap that I did. And then I also have this kind of faux diamond piece that I really do like. I'm going to bring this diamond bracelet, these pearl earrings that I'm going to be pairing with this pearl piece, these silvers, and then this one additional bracelet, and then whatever I'm wearing today for the outfit that I'm going to wear this evening, which I'm not really sure. So let me see if I can find something for tonight's meeting. So the last thing I'm going to do is I have to switch out my bags. This bag, as cute as it is, and my sister got it for me for Christmas one year, it really is just not fitting all of my stuff. So I'm going to switch out to this red bag. This is a Dana Buckman bag. You can get these at Kohl's, but I actually got this at a thrift store. I went with a friend and we went thrifting, and I saw this and I liked it for 12 bucks. I think they retail for like 37 or something like that, but I got it for $12. And I think it was 50% off that day, so I probably got it for $6. But I'm going to switch that out, and I'm also going to be switching out my wallet because the zipper is broken. So I wish I could say it was full of well, it's full of potential. There's potential in that wallet, so I'm not going to speak evil of the wallet. But I do have this one to trade out, or this one. So either one of these, which this is another Buxton wallet that a friend of mine gave me, my friend Allison. So I'm either going to use this one, that's brand new, and then I got this one thrifting, or I'm going to use this one. So of course, you know, I do the envelope system, so I'm probably going to end up using this one because it has way more of these than this one does. And I have a lot of library cards and just different, I don't have any credit cards at all, but I have library cards and different little things that I carry around for the kids. We have 2 sets of library cards, and then like store cards, you know, your Harris Teeter MVP card and Food Line. So I have all those things. So I think I'm going to switch those out and then use this purse, and then I'll just move out my makeup bag and stuff. I did find some sugar-free items. This is Icebreaker's sugar-free gum, and then this one is Mentos. This is sugar-free as well. And then this is Icebreakers. And I know, you know, being on keto, strict keto, you don't have things like this, but sometimes I find myself having keto breath, and so I need to have something. Not all the time, but sometimes. So I'm going to get this all switched over, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when I've got everything changed out. Alrighty, you guys, so here it is. There's my purse, my carry bag, and I just took my old, one hand, right, green wallet, and I replaced it now with this one. because it has places for, you know, all of the different things here. There's a lot of ID and stuff in there. So I'm just know that I replaced it because it needed to be replaced because the zipper was broke on the other one. But I was able to get all of my stuff in there, and I have so many rewards cards. It's just too much. So I'm going to have to probably condense some of those at another time. But I'm coordinating here with my purse and my rolly bag. Not that I planned it on purpose. I was looking for the brown bag that I bought from the thrift store when we were in with our friends the Beavers, and I realized that I put that in the donate bag. So didn't have that purse. But this is everything that I'm carrying, and then I will have my rolling bag that I take for my computer. So let's see where that bag is. Okay. So this bag is my rolling bag that I will take. I'll put my computer in here, my charger, and then my phone charger and my Bluetooth charger will all go in there. And then upon further review, let me show y'all so you don't think I'm crazy, right? So all the foolery. When I move this piece, because that's just a pallet, it's a couple blankets folded. So we just keep it in here and Jackson brings it out at night. The basket was his foolishness. Here I am blaming myself for foolishness. It was his foolishness, to which he has come in and had to clean that stuff up. So, but when I come back from my trip, I am going to be tackling this specific shelf. All of the jewelry pieces I'm going to go through and declutter some more of those that I'm not using or haven't worn. And then I'm going to use this bottom shelf as another bookshelf because I am out of bookshelf space in this house and I need more bookshelves, or I'm going to have to get rid of my books, and I can't live that life. So I'm going to totally clear out this bottom shelf, and then I'm going to use that as a bookshelf. So that is where it is, and that is going to finish us for this particular blog. I got crazy here. Y'all pray for me. Oh my goodness, and I have to go into a meeting, so I have to figure out what I'm going to do with my... Okay, I might have to bump these ends a little bit or something because I do have to go into a meeting, and I cannot wear this into a meeting. So, or I'm either going to just wet it and put a ponytail in. Probably the ponytail idea is growing on me, so let me think about that. I'll just wet the edges, and then I'll just bun that in the back because I can't wear this head thing into a meeting. Gotta find something to wear for tonight. Have no clue. So probably something that doesn't require any ironing. That's one prerequisite. Probably a pair of black slacks. I think black slacks and then some kind of shirt. But anywho, ooh, yeah. I do have a blue dress. A blue dress might work because I have some blue heels that I could wear. Decisions. But anyway, I'm going to find something to wear for tonight's meeting. And that, black slacks, red top, red toms, because nobody will be looking at my feet. And I do have some red casual shoes, so that might work too. So anyway, that's what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the evening. I'm leaving here in about an hour, 50 minutes is probably, and then head on over to the meeting. So just thought you'd like to come along with me as I pack. I'm kind of a crazy packer. I pack at the last minute, and then I try to pack just the things I need. I'm getting to that point where I'm packing just what I need and not extra stuff. Although I do have 1 or 2 extra tops just in case. You never know, you get to a place and realize something just didn't work out the way you planned it. So I do pack at least one top extra. And sometimes a pair of pants extra just in case. But anywho, that's it for us right now. So we're going to see you next Vlogtober episode. Bye now.